Another negative implication of this prolonged shutdown of sports is that coming up in July is the event where Jamaica has had its most glorious international success in sport, the Olympic Games. But for this Olympics, because of the extended shutdown of sports, Jamaica's elite athletes will be at a distinct disadvantage because of the setback in preparations and ultimately their sharpness compared to our main Olympic rivals. Remember now, the majority of our elite athletes live and train in Jamaica. And when you look at the likes of Johan Blake, Asafa Powell, even Shelley and Fraser Price, and Elaine Thompson-Herah, this season, them no look so sharp compared not just to their American rivals, but compared to the Jamaican college athletes who are in regular competition. Right now, if and when the Jamaica trials come around, don't be surprised if the trials are dominated by the college athletes who are active and sharper. And look, COVID-19 is not unique to Jamaica. And while we have stuttered with the reopening of sports, other countries are up and running and open for the business of sports. So not only is our prolonged shutdown of sports crippling the development of future generation of athletes, the current stars are suffer too.